Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says the number of distinct solution of the equation this in the interval this. Great. So, look at this how we will approach this problem. So, I feel that we have log and log together. So, what I will do, I will keep them on one side. Okay. So, we got log base 1 by 2 mod sin x plus log base 1 by 2 mod cos x equals 2. Great. It is log m plus log n. So can I apply the formula log mn? Log sin x cos x base 1 by 2 equals to 2. Now we will remove the log. You know that log a to the base b is a number. When we will raise this number on the base, we will get a mod sin x cos x. So it becomes 1 by 4. Okay. Now you know that whenever sine and cos comes together, we used to multiply by 2. So let's multiply and divide by 2. So it will become 2 sin x cos x equals 1 by 2. And what is 2 sin x cos x? It is sin 2x equals 1 by 2. Okay. Now what we will do, we will draw a graph because we are interested in finding the number of solution, not the solution. Okay. So first we will draw a graph of sin 2x. Okay. You know that like to draw a graph, this is sin x. First I will draw a graph of sin x. Okay. And we have to draw till 2 pi. So you know it is pi, it is 2 pi, it is 3 pi, it is 4 pi. And also you know that you have multiplied x with 2. So you have to divide x with 2. Transformation of graph. You should have great command over transformation of graph. So it is 2 pi. Correct na? So we have to focus till this point only. So this is the graph of sin 2x. Now what I will do, you know that if we will remove the mod, sin 2x will become equal to plus minus 1 by 2. So we will draw the graph of 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So it is 0, it is 1, it is minus 1. So let's draw the graph of 1 by 2. Okay. So we got how many solutions? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 solutions we got. Now we will draw a graph of minus 1 by 2. Done. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, the required number of solution is 8. Okay. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So, see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.